careful. So what you're going to need is a pointed tweezer. Now I definitely recommend this instead of a tweezer. And then you're also going to need this guy here. I'll link everything down below, and also a clean spoolie. And of course I went ahead and I got the dark lash extension glue and a mirror. Now you want to make sure that the lashes that you apply to your real lashes are going the same direction as your natural lashes. The most common is C and D. Today I will be using C and 5D because that is my preference. Now this is my first time using this brand. I decided to go with 5D because it will help me fill in any sparse areas I have, and it will help me achieve my volume look very quickly. This is 0.10 millimeters, so it's very lightweight, so it won't be heavy on your eyes. I purchased the same brand that I've used before. And if you haven't seen my first do-it-yourself lash extension video, definitely check it out. I'll link it down below. This is C 17 millimeter in length and 0.20 in thickness. Now you want to determine what kind of look you are going for. I am going for a volume if you take a look at the left, and if you look on the right, I am going for an open doll-eye look. I am planning to make my own lash strip using these. If you're interested in that, definitely give this video a thumbs up. If you really want to make sure your natural lashes are completely clean, I'm going to go ahead and apply the glue on this piece of paper. When I do my own lashes, I like to start in the center because it helps me determine where my center is, and it helps me focus on making sure that I make the center more open. I like to push up on the lash so it helps it stays up once the glue dry, and I also do apply the individual lashes underneath my real lashes. Now, I'm not quite sure if I've seen anybody put lashes underneath and on top of their real lashes, but this technique that I've been doing has been working for me, and my real lashes has been fine. I haven't had any issues with my real lashes. I also like to take the pointed tweezer, helping me separate the individual lashes. Now, when doing this, I would advise to be extra careful so you won't poke your eye. Once the glue is dry, I went ahead and just spoolie the lash extensions so I can see what I need to work on, and as well as make sure everything is in place. Now, as you guys can see, I just like to use the pointed tweezer, but I did mention that you will need the curved tweezer, just in case you don't feel comfortable with just using the pointed tweezer. The glue that I am using is not a professional glue. I really like this glue because if you make any mistake, it will not hurt, and the chemical for this glue is not strong compared to the professional glue. Now, I've been using the Ardell glue for a long time, and I feel like I still get the same results as using the professional glue. If you guys would like to see a lash extension update, definitely give this video a thumbs up if you haven't, and I'll definitely make another video. So as you guys can see, I still have to really work on the inner corners of my eye and as well as the very outer corner of my eye. So I'm just going to go ahead and keep applying the individual lashes underneath the lashes, and then once I'm done, I'm going to go ahead and start applying the 5D on top of my real lashes. Now I decided to use the single individual lashes first because it has that thickness that I want at the bottom of my lashes. Compared to the 5D, it does not have that thickness. So what I'm actually going to do next is apply the individual single lashes on top on the areas that I really want more thickness, which is focusing in the center of my eyes. And then I'm going to go ahead and start applying the 5D on my top of my lashes so it can give me that mink look. Now I'm going to take the 5D lashes and place them in the inner corner of my eyes, because I do find that my inner corner lashes tends to go a little bit more down, and this would make it a lot easier for me to work in the inner corner. And then I'm also going to apply it starting in the center to the outer corner of my eyes and then the inner corner. Now as you can see, the inner corner is very light because I just applied the 5D in the inner corner. So now I'm going to go ahead and take the single individual lashes and apply it underneath them so I can make sure that it has the same thickness throughout my eyes. Personally, I like to have the individual lashes at the end of them to be thick because that allows my eyes to look like it has eyeliner when technically it doesn't. Now as you guys can see here, I am applying the 5D lashes again to the areas needed. Alright guys, this is the completed look. I really hope you guys love it. Now after I was done applying, I made sure to keep my lashes dry for at least 24 hours. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. You guys are amazing. I love you guys. Bye.